front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use pin button in the pop-up. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!